Illegal sand extraction is once again underway at Vaddem, Kernel number 2 under village Panchayat Vaddem Curdi in Sangam Taluka, raising serious environmental concerns among local residents. According to locals, despite action being taken by authorities in the past, the illegal activity resumes within just 15 days, suggesting the involvement of powerful godfathers operating behind the scenes. This has led villagers to question why government officials remain silent and why no permanent solution has been implemented. The unchecked sand mining is causing severe damage to the river ecosystem, including erosion of riverbanks, depletion of groundwater levels, and destruction of aquatic life. Residents fear that continued negligence will result in irreversible environmental damage. Locals have now demanded immediate and strict action against those involved, including continuous monitoring and legal proceedings to permanently stop illegal sand extraction. They urge the authorities to act swiftly to protect the rivers and environment for future generations. The people of Vaddem Curdi have made it clear, temporary action is not enough, only strict enforcement can save the river.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.